Today on Forbes, Elon Musk confirms there's no $25,000 Tesla EV on the way. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has confirmed that the electric vehicle maker is not planning to release a $25,000 model, appearing to reverse comments he made 6 months ago when he denied a news report saying exactly that. The billionaire entrepreneur and top donor to Donald Trump's presidential campaign commented on the status of the so-called Model 2 EV on Wednesday after the Austin-based company reported a stronger than expected third-quarter profit. He was asked specifically about the status of the low-cost, non-robotaxi car while taking questions from Tesla retail investors during an earnings call. He said, quote, "We're not making a non-robotaxi model. I think we've made very clear that the future is autonomous." Earlier this month, Musk unveiled his vision for Tesla's future with its Cybercab robotaxi model at a show for fans of the brand at Warner Bros. Studios in Burbank, California. Musk claimed the two-seat autonomous electric vehicle would sell for about $30,000 when it goes into production in 2026. Whether such a product will actually arrive on time and at the promised price remains to be seen. Overall, the company's goal is to lower the price of all its products, and Musk said it's on track to sell vehicles that cost less than $30,000 once government subsidies are factored in. In April, Reuters reported that Tesla had canceled the Model 2 program, a vehicle that might have been produced in a new plant the company was hoping to build in Mexico. At the time, Musk denied the Reuters report, writing on X, the social media platform he owns, that the news agency was, quote, lying. Nevertheless, over the past 6 months, he offered no details on whether such a vehicle was in the works. The company also set aside plans to build the factory in Mexico. Musk has repeatedly tied Tesla's future to autonomous driving and humanoid robots, rather than simply selling electric vehicles and batteries. Nevertheless, in the quarter that ended on September 30th, 89% of Tesla's $25.2 billion of revenue came from selling vehicles and batteries. The company's financial statements don't specify any revenue specifically related to AI-enabled services. Tesla shares jumped 12% in after-hours trading, following the company's quarterly earnings release. It reported 72 cents in adjusted earnings per share on $2.51 billion of net income. That topped consensus analyst estimates that called for earnings per share of 59 cents and $2.01 billion of net income, according to FactSet. There's not much public information about Tesla's autonomous driving progress. It stopped filing reports with California's DMV, one of the main sources, in 2019, and it doesn't brief outside experts or the media on its progress. There's also ongoing scrutiny of its autopilot and full self-driving software by regulators. And known ongoing technical problems with these suggest attaining Musk's vision anytime soon would be a stretch. George Mason University professor Missy Cummings, an artificial intelligence expert who served as an advisor to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration on autonomous vehicles and consults California's DMV on the topic, said, quote, "Tesla is not a serious contender for real self-driving applications. I think they are, at a minimum, 10 years away from such operations." The most promising robotaxi program right now isn't Tesla's Cybercab, but Waymo's, which has long been the self-driving industry benchmark. 15 years after it began as the Google self-driving car project, 9 years since its first fully autonomous test drive ferrying a vision-impaired passenger through Austin in 2015, and aided by at least $10 billion of investment, Waymo has built an actual business, though far from a profitable one. For full coverage, check out Alan Owensman's piece on forbes.com. This is Kieran Meadows from Forbes. Thanks for tuning in.